Welcome to our tutorial on how to log in to Allstate at work. Whether you are a new employee or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive in. First thing first, you need your username and password provided by your employer. Once you have that handy, go ahead and visit the Allstate at Work website. So in order to do that, you have to open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Let's tap into that, and at the search bar, let's type in the Allstate at Work login and hit enter. Once you have hit enter, you will be directed to this page. Let's tap into this page that says login allstatebenefits.com, and now you should see the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Let's type our username right over here. And after that, we have to type in our password. Also remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure to enter it exactly as provided. And right below you can see an option that says remember my user ID. So if you want this website to remember your user ID, you can simply tap in this square box. And if you don't want, then you can simply leave it like that. Also, if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can tap in this option right here. And in case you are a new user, you don't have an account, you can create a new account by clicking on this option. So since we have already typed in our credentials, we can simply tap into the login button right here. And there you have it. Now you have logged in to Allstate at Work and ready to access all the tools and resources you need for your job. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.